Hey, boys and girls, this is Miss Carpenter. We've been working hard on comparing and contrasting for the last 2 weeks. Engaged readers compare and contrast things and ideas as they read because it helps us to remember more about what we read. Last week, we were working on comparing and contrasting in fiction stories, so we were comparing and contrasting characters' experiences. This week, we have been focused on informational text. We have been looking at photographs, descriptions, and information and describing how they are alike and different. Today, you are going to be taking a summative assessment on comparing and contrasting and showing what you have learned over the past 2 weeks. When we come back from spring break, we will be moving on to a new skill. So let's do a quick review of what we have learned before you show what you know. So we know that there are some signal words that authors use to tell how things are alike and different. Some comparing keywords are also, alike, to, and, same, both, and like. Some contrasting keywords are although, different, however, but, not, and only. You should be looking for these while you read. Let's do a guided practice. I can see that the title of this passage is Cat Fur. And when I look at the photographs, I see two different cats. And while they have similar colors, their fur looks different. I see the cat on the left has long fur, whereas the cat on the right has short fur. Let's learn more about the similarities and differences between long-haired and short-haired cats. While I read, I am going to highlight signal words. All right, cat fur. All cats have fur. Long-haired cats have long fur. Short-haired cats have short fur. Both kinds of fur come in many colors and patterns. Long and short hair need different care. Long hair needs more care. It needs to be brushed and washed. Short hair needs less care. It does not need to be brushed or washed. So let's talk about what we read. All cats have fur. So that's a similarity. So long-haired cats and short-haired cats have fur. That would go in the middle of the Venn diagram, right? Another similarity is that both kinds of fur can come in many colors and patterns. See how I highlighted both here? So many colors and patterns is another similarity. There are some differences, though, between long-haired and short-haired cats. I highlighted different here. That's a contrasting signal word. So care, the way that you care for their fur is different. Long hair needs more care. It needs to be brushed and washed. So on my Venn diagram, more care would go on the long hair cat side. Brushed and washed would also go on the long hair cat side. Whereas short hair, it needs less care. It does not need to be brushed or washed. That is a quality that only short hair cats have. They don't need to be brushed or washed. They generally need less care. Let's do a little sorting activity with that information. So many colors, where would that go? Long hair, long and short hair, or short hair? If you said long and short hair, you are correct. That's a similarity between long and short-haired cats. They can come in many different colors and patterns. More brushing. That would go under long hair, because that's a quality that only long-haired cats have. No washing needed. That would go under short hair. Needs washing. That would go with long hair. Because remember, long-haired cats, they require more care. They need more brushing and washing. And less brushing, that would go under short-haired cats. Let's check our answers here. Yes, we got everything correct. Awesome. All right, boys and girls, I am so proud of all the work that you have done with comparing and contrasting. Today, you are going to be comparing and contrasting some photographs and then reading a passage and comparing and contrasting. Make sure that you are looking for your signal words while you read, and I know that you guys are going to do a great job. I hope you enjoy your spring break, and I can't wait to get back to learning afterwards. Have a great day.